get you? You're not a baby? Ow. Welcome back to LeLe. First birthday party light on. So keep watching the rest of this vlog. Roll it.
Yeah, birthday party today.
And do you know who the birthday party's for?
No.
Why?
This is for Mama.
Cause it's for mom and not you?
No, your mommy.
Oh my God.
Birthday party you
Whose birthday party you going to?
Mom's birthday party.
Mine?
No, not yours. Your birthday party.
Not
coming up.
Azariah's birthday
She
party?
said your birthday party is not coming up.
No.
You going to Azariah's birthday party?
Nope, my birthday party.
Your birthday party?
Yeah.
Bye, Azariah. Have a great day at school today.
Azariah, have a good day.
See ya.
See you and bye-bye.
Bye, Azariah.
Bye-bye, sister.
Bye-bye, sister.
I don't want to go bye-bye.
See you later. You don't want to go to daycare? Where you want to go?
Hey, take her.
All right. Have a good day.
Yo, Gigi, turn it up.
Mill on the beat, dropping heat.
Early morning, late night. 14 hours a day.
First client of the day.
So this style was just 3 braid style to the back, ends to the back with stitch braiding. So let's get into it. So yeah, I done did a lot of running around since I left the shop. I had to go get my nails done. Back to life. Now I'm about to go back to the shop and do a couple more heads. So see y'all when I get there. So this next style is stitch braids to the back with 2 hearts on the side, and she got blind added to the ends.
Later that same evening.
You need to be in the seatbelt? Put it in the seatbelt? Okay. Yeah. Alright, y'all. So LeLe birthday cake is picked up. I'm about to take it to her sister Diamond house. Diamond is the one who throwing her sister LeLe's surprise birthday party. Ooh, it's like a Tiffany & Co party. So I guess I'm gonna show y'all the cake when we get there, cause I can't really open it up and I gotta hurry up, cause LeLe about to get off work in a second, and I want to make sure I'm on time and we on time for everything. So roll it.
Later that night.
All right, y'all. So I'm standing outside of LeLe's job right now. It's literally crazy to think that this whole entire day, I'm picking her up now. This whole entire day, she just been working. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already seen the footage. She just been working, grinding, braiding all day long. And literally, does she know tonight she has a surprise birthday party that she coming to, especially after that amazing trip we had in Mexico. Now we back home in St. Louis. I think this her second full day of work. Like, look at her. Look at her right there.
What's up, vlog? You know, go to Normandy High, class 2022.
On my mama, on my hood, I look fly, I look good.
Meanwhile, back at the ranch.
Show dinner outfit.
Yep. I think I'm doing too much.
What? Okay with the chain, Justice.
Let me tell you something.
Like a Hebrew
You look
slave.
good today. You hear me?
You go for.
You look good.
Thank you. You said I'm not doing too much, so
No, you're not.
thank you.
You're somebody does who does in heaven.
Never mind. Never mind.
Hello, brother.
Yeah.
I need your help. I'm close to the south side and I need gas, but I don't want to be alone. But I know you and LeLe got something to do. Can you come please help me? It's an emergency.
Yeah, I got you. I'm send me your location. I'm about to leave out in a second.
All right.
All right.
All right, bye.
Hey, Rolly Gang family, so far so good. It don't seem like she know what's going on at all whatsoever. Shout out to my sister Misha too, with the little fake call talking about she needs some gas money, because she know that, you know, when it come to my little sister, I'm always gonna go out of my way for her. So we about to go pick her up at the front of at her house and keep on moving. Rolly.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, all right.
Please leave your message for 31. Please leave your message.
You got me going here real far. But Nisha, we know her. You act like we just looking for her. They ain't gotta know you. Who's that?
Surprise, motherfucker.
Okay, so first I want to tell everybody that I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. My love is real for every last one of y'all in this building. I cannot fake it. I don't know how to fake it because I'm real and I'm LeLe. All the way, if you got me in your life, just know I got you no matter what. To this world glow. Okay.
We got your back to the world glow too.
All my family and everything I do for my family. Woo! Okay, y'all.
I love my sister past the moon and mountains. She is my world.
What you doing, baby? Is this an ice machine? Oh, I'm gonna be up all night. Oh my God, I'm gonna be up all night.
Was you surprised?
Yes, I was. Because I was not finna come in here because I didn't know. I didn't think I knew these people. I'm really surprised that you came. I'm so proud of you.
These jawbreakers are good. I had to come out for LeLe.
Thank you, and I appreciate it. I was, yes, it meant a lot to me.